Introducing the S4B Heavy-Duty Type 4 Safety Light Curtain from Banner Engineering. The S4B is designed and optimized for easy and intuitive installation, operation, and troubleshooting. Installation is quick and easy using side or end cap brackets. Zone indicators visibly communicate alignment status during installation. A red LED indicates misalignment, a yellow LED indicates a weak signal, and a green LED indicates proper alignment. Once the light curtain is installed, the three zone indicators aid troubleshooting and help reduce downtime. The S4B automatically detects when the beam strength is low, changes zone indicator to yellow, and sends a signal to a PLC or HMI to notify maintenance teams that the lens needs to be cleaned. The removable M12 Quick Disconnect cord set helps limit costly repairs and downtime by allowing operators to simply disconnect and replace the damaged cord set while leaving the light curtain installed. The S4B features a heavy-duty aluminum housing and end caps, as well as a 4mm recessed window for added protection. Available in both 14 and 30mm resolution options, the S4B offers safety protection across a variety of applications. In applications where cascading is preferred, the S4B is engineered to connect up to 4 pairs. The auto cascade feature saves time during installation, automatically recognizing the next light curtain as it is connected. When cascaded, the minimal response time impact allows the S4B to be installed closer to the equipment being guarded, making more efficient use of valuable floor space. With an operating range of up to 12 meters and end-to-end sensing in lengths from 300 to 1800 millimeters, the S4B can tackle a wide variety of safety applications while meeting the highest safety standards. Simplify installation and reduce downtime with the S4B Heavy-Duty Type 4 Safety Light Curtain from Banner Engineering. For more information, please visit bannerengineering.com.